Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the stabilize feature in DaVinci Resolve. I have just recently decided to jump on the DaVinci Resolve train, so I'm experimenting with all kinds of things. So, on to the actual topic of the video. Now, here is our video that we've dropped on the timeline and will always be on the cut section. Where we need to be now is on the color section. Now here on the color section in the tracker window, we want to go to stabilizer, and that is going to give us the default stabilizer, and we can set things up like strength and smoothness and so forth. So you can set the camera lock on or off. That is fully up to you, and you can make some pretty cool things using the stabilize feature. So the max strength you can set is 1 and smoothness is also 1. I'm going to set it to 0.50 or 51. Now, if you're looking for the classic stabilizer, which is what I like to use, you can find it right here. And now you can set, do you want to change your pan? Do you want to stabilize your tilt, zoom, rotate? You can tick those on or off. But generally what you also want to do is go to the interactive mode and tick that on. And then we're going to go to our insert square over here, and then we can highlight whatever we want to stabilize. You can just drag and drop. Let's say it's this building here. And this is what's really cool, because now it's going to make a whole new effect because it's going to stabilize on that building only. Oh, as I forgot to mention, do press play so that it can stabilize through. And now you can see the graph is all set up and stabilization is complete. And this is what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. And you can do all kinds of fun things with stabilization, so do consider giving it a try. If you found this helpful, I'm still learning this whole thing myself. It is way more complicated than CapCut. Do drop us a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.